Oh hello there, my name is Vishal from my web, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fetch all the posts from the database into our this page. I mean how to show all the pages like this at post category. So basically here is my database, which is new underscore time npl, and here is my all the posts. Okay, basically I have only one post, so I fetch some more post add from here. I click on this add new post and I just type the second post and type some descriptions of this blog. I just click some I create a new okay, select the slider again, dummy meta, and some dummy meta description, and also I click on this, I click some any thumbnail like this. Okay, let's see, and I click on the publish. Post has been uploaded successfully, and once I go on the database, I check in the browser. As you can see, we have the our second post. Now I'm going to create a link of the view post. So I open my text editor. Okay, here's my text editor, and I'm going back to my sidebar.php, and here is my show all post. Okay, which is under the on my admin underscore controller. So I click on this. Let's copy this show all underscore post, and going back to my admin controller. And after the logout, okay, before the logout or after the logout, it's depend on you. So public function and show all post. I create a view just like this. As you can see, here is my header and all post. So I just copy the same thing and I paste it over here, and I change the view of this article form, which is this all underscore posts, and just remove the dollar data for right now because we don't need this right now. Okay, I just copy the name of the view page, all underscore post, which is under the admin folder. So in the admin folder, I click on the right click and click create a new file, and paste this all underscore post dot php. And after that, I'm going now I'm open again the category page of the add. Yeah, here is my all post cat. So I just copy the whole code from here and paste it over here, and just remove this all the code from the script tag because I don't need this right now. And after that, I also remove this and for each loop right now for now, and also change some like post name or post title, and what we have in our database. We need post category and date. Okay, so as post category, so as remove this category, and also it should be have like date. Okay, save this page and check in the browser. Now click on the view post. Okay, I think we forgot something. Okay, we don't need this right now. Again, this pagination code too. I just remove the pagination code and just check in the browser, refresh. Now we have a table of this post title, category, date, and edit and delete. Now we need to fetch all the data. So I create a model of that. So as my model and as my post model. So again, where we have just save category, and now I create a new function of new method of this model. So I just public function get underscore all underscore post, and with the limit, okay, because we need same as this thing. So I just copy this okay, just copy this limit and offset, because we need to set the limit and offset from the database. And again I just copy this code and paste it over here, and just change the table name, which is same as posts. And here we go. Now I am going to get all post. So I just $data, and the key, I just put the name, put the key name of the just arrays, which is fetch. So I just type the $this PM for post model, because I already declared this PM in the constructor. As you can see, it is my $days load model post model as a PM. Okay, so again PM, and the model name is get all post. So I just paste it and set the limitations. So I just type 0, 1 for the testing, and I just pass the parameter of the $data right here and save it. And let's check into our browser, code in my view. So in the top of the first line, I just debug this by using the print underscore r. So print underscore r $fetch with the echo pre, and after that die. Now let's save and check in the browser and refresh. So as you can see, we have no any num rows. So just check using the result. And also I forget to put this, reverse this number from 1 to 0, or either we can also put the two limitations, because we put the limitations as a first parameter. As you can see, we have the limitation and then offset. So let's check in the browser, just refresh it. Now we have our two data. Here is my array 1 and array 0 and array 0 2, second array. And then I just remove this code, and I just write the same thing. So we need 6 table data. So I just put the table row and td 6. Okay, and before the starting, I just need to start a for each loop. So I start up my PHP tag and for each $fetch result as row colon, and after that PHP and for each, and I just put the name. What is the ID? Is this post underscore ID? So I just type the $row array post ID and stop. Now just check in the browser first. I just refresh this page again. Now we have ID 4 and 5. Now it's time to put all things like post title and post category and post thumbnail too, because we also need title and thumbnail too. So I just decide to post thumbnail. Okay, I just I just remove this all the blank td. Post title, and here's my post title. After that, we need to post category, and we need my post thumbnail too, and I need to put this post thumbnail into a img tag. So I cut this and take the img tag and put the link, put all the image URL in this image source, and I set the height as a attribute. So I have my attribute, and height equals to 100 pixel, and that's enough. And after that, what's the date parameter? Name is post underscore created underscore 8. So I just change created underscore 8, and to blank td. We will work on it after some time. Okay, just save this page and check in the browser again and say refresh. Now as you can see, we have this is my first title updated, and here's my category id, but we don't need this id. We need a proper category name like this, post underscore category. Okay, so we need to join this table. So I'm going back to my model, and after this limit I take a join method, join, and the table name is post underscore category. So post underscore category and comma post underscore category dot post underscore category underscore id, post underscore category underscore id equals to my posts dot post underscore category. So equals to post and dot post underscore category underscore id, and what is the column name of this that put category id, which is post underscore category underscore title. So again I'm going back to my view page, and post underscore category underscore title. Now let's save and check in the browser. Okay, I forgot to define the left. So this is just post category, and also define as my left join. Okay, so I just type left and save and check in the browser again. Now I just put the refresh. Now as you can see, we have my category name too, we have the slider. Okay, and before doing that, we need to paginate this page too. So I'm going back to my controller and load the library of the pagination. So this load library of the pagination, and also we need to load the helper. Okay, I'm going back to the category page, sorry, category controller. Here is my here we have all the controller. I mean the my pagination, custom pagination, and all the things. So I just copied the same thing from the cat and paste it under my post. Let's post it over here, and I just cut this thing, and I remove this line. I remove this model and paste it over here. Okay, and also I change the table name, which is my post only. Okay, and so all post. So I change the some parameters in my custom pagination, which is admins controller slash show all post. Now just save and check in the browser, refresh. Now once I click on one, it show me only one, and when I type in the URL slash 1 2 or 2, okay, 1 only, it shows a fifth parameter, fifth ID. Okay, so after that I just pass this only, okay, just one, and I'm going back to my view page and create a table, sorry, I create a link. So I just type the php echo $this pagination and create links. Okay, now click on save and check in the browser. Why this give me a error? Pagination. Okay, it's a pagination, not pagination. So okay, yeah, that's cool. Now click on the save and check in the browser again. Now we have my pagination is set here. As you can see, when I click on this two, it show me the second parameter, and if I click on the prev, it show me the good thing. Okay, just again I'm going back to my admin controller and change the, so here my quantity, I'm just showing the quantity of the post. So I just type 10 and click on save and check in the browser. Has nothing to show because we have only 2 posts at here. So now I'm going back to my view, add new post, and click on the third post at here, third post, and description for the dummy. And okay, before doing post or anything, I just create a new post, add a new category. So add new category, and here's my news. Click on the save, and again going back to my manage post, click on the add new post, and it's my third post about this blog. I just copy this again. This is my description. Change the category as a news, meta description, and also click a select a page of, sorry, a select image at anything. Okay, and just click on the publish. Post has been uploaded successfully. But once I click on the okay, it's redirect to on my all underscore post page. So here's my article underscore form. I'm going back to my form page, footer. Here is my footer page, and okay, and also redirect to my so here's my footer, and I just type the window for redirect my URL to this to my show all post. As you can see, here's my show all post. So I just copy this again, and again going back to my footer.php and window.open. Let's type the base URL colon and admin underscore controller slash this with, and after that comma underscore self and save. Now it's moving as well as click on okay. Before doing that, okay, now just type it. This is my new post, copy and paste it over here. and change the category name again, and type the meta description, and click and select any image. Okay, and click on the publish as my alert says, and okay, now we have my total 5 new AJAX over here. Okay, once I again change my counting number of the pagination is set to the 3 or 2, and click on the save and check in the browser again and refresh. Now we have the pagination of the three pagination pages. Once I click on the next and all is okay, and 1. Okay, now again I change as this 10. Now refresh. So I think you already know how to decide and how to fetch and how to join a table of the from different table to different table, and also how to fetch all the posts using my fetching the category using the joining function. So let's see in the next video in about how to edit this post and how to delete this post using CodeIgniter with AJAX. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding. Thank you so much.